Good evening. Today is March 4th, 2020. Time now 23:38, 23:38 or 11:38 p.m. And today just I'm checking the moon face, and I'm checking it in different and various locations, and just I want to show you how silly is that. How silly is that means they are claiming here moon is as a distance wise, moon is 380,192 kilometers in where? In Sri Lanka. Moon rise, moon set, and moon phases March 2020. That's now. The illumination percentage of the moon is 70.2, which is tonight actually. Just check the distance. Moon distance is 380 190 kilometers, 380,190 kilometers. The problem is, and why I'm telling that timeanddate.com is fake. Look, I want to show you that here the moon distance from that country gets reduced. Meanwhile, the moon attitude, it gets reduced, means it's going to set, because moon setting time will be, today is March 4th, then we will go down there. Today 4th, that's 4th, and that's it will set on the next day at 2 a.m. I don't know whether I'm putting it correctly. Yeah, here 2:06 a.m. Okay, now the time there is 1:10 a.m. means less than an hour it has to set. Less than an hour it has to set. So it's going to set. Look to the distance, moon distance, it's decreasing. Decreasing means the moon has to go closer to the country. Meanwhile, she's going far away from the country. That's what I want to prove, guys. That's want to prove that this site is wrong. They want to simulate what they used to do with the globe model, but every time it's disappointing them. I'll give another example. I'll go now to what's that? Is that Jakarta? Yes, Jakarta. The moon is sat already there because it's before Sri Lanka. If we go to the map, this is Jakarta, and this is Sri Lanka actually. The moon is already sat there, and it is minus 18.11 degrees. And that is increasing because it's going as per their model far away, but it is sat means it goes beneath the level. Anyhow, the problem is here, guys. 380 179 kilometers. Look, it gets reduced to 78. That means it gets closer to the country. Meanwhile, it is far away. It is far away, and it has to go far because it has to do that arc, the half circle, but they are proving gets closer. Moon distance gets closer to the country, to that country, which is Jakarta. They cannot explain that, guys. They cannot explain that. Here, USA. That's USA. Corpus Christi, Texas. Now the moon is rising there. It's 3.454 degrees east northeast, and this is the distance 380,174, and the moon it's getting closer to them. So it's getting closer to that area, which is on the opposite side. Moreover, it's getting close to Sri Lanka and Jakarta. And this is Sri Lanka. This is Sri Lanka. It gets close to that place, and no one can explain that. 72, 72. Here, that's Abu Dhabi, my country. 40, the moon altitude, 40.13 degrees. The distance is 381,171 kilometers, but it will get reduced. Meanwhile, it is descending, means it has to go far away, but it says here it's getting closer, which is purely fake, guys. Purely fake. It's not true. Now the time here is 23:44 right now, and the moon will sat here at 2:02 a.m. means after 2 hours and 20 minutes. 2 hours and 20 minutes. Guys, I advise you and I encourage you to go through these things, which is very easily can be recorded, monitored, logged, in order to show how fake those sites is. It's supposedly to be on the other side of the world, since they claim it is a globe, but it is wrong. It is wrong. It is not what they are telling us, actually. It's purely wrong, and they cannot actually explain that. Very easy. This is Morocco, Casablanca. That's the map over there. Look what they said. By the way, the time is there 20:45. We are 23. Then there is 3 hours. Look, the distance of the moon is 380,165 kilometers, and it gets reduced. It gets reduced. Meanwhile, if we check here, it's 145 degrees point 45 southeast. Southeast. That means it is descending. It is descending, not ascending. Descending. Look to the arrow over there. It is descending. 145 degrees. Moon altitude is 77.75 degrees. And here we are. This is the one. The moon will set there at this is 4th. Moon will set today 4th, yeah, but this is 5th. Moon will set on 4:38 a.m. or 3:41 3:41, I guess. 3:41 a.m. 3:41 a.m. at 298 degrees. 298 degrees. That's what they claim. 298. Then another 46 degrees. Then it will set. Look, south, southeast. So south, southeast. This is the direction of the moon. This is the direction of the moon. They cannot explain that. Can somebody explain that from those who has believing on globe model? Whatever example I'm taking, you will face the same problem. This is Tunisia. This is Tunisia. And the distance of the moon is 380,155 kilometers. And this is the moon altitude. And this is the degree 217. And it's supposed to be sitting almost within today 299, then another 80 degrees to the moon is already southwest, that direction, and it will sat on within 5 hours or 6 hours from now. 6 hours from now for Tunisia. 6 hours from now. The problem is moon getting the distance between moon and the country itself getting decreased. Meanwhile, it is going far away. It's going far away from the country itself. country position, and no one can explain that. I hope I transfer what I want to say to you guys. I hopefully you can react on that on our Facebook page. Uh, Thank you very much. Saleh Al Wahdi, Flat Earth Organization, Enoch One, and Ethiopian Enoch One, and other sites as well. It is free for them to distribute, to share everywhere. Hopefully, we can find a result from those people who claims the globe model as their belief. There is no evidence at all, or AE model, even though they cannot prove anything at all. Thanks a lot. Bye.